Kiumia kimwe mbere ya thukuru kuhingurwo, thirikari yugite iri maitho gutigirira arutwo matiri ugwati-ini o wothe ukonie meikarire yao ona irio iria mararia mathukuru-ini. Kuringana na Minista wa Githomo EZEKIEL MACHOGU, arugamiriri a thukuru ciothe nimamukirite mwerekera makiurio guthurima na kinyi irio na mai maria marahuthika thukuru-ini.
Taking into consideration the few schools that we have had cases, I don't require to mention names because of contaminated water, contaminated food. So kindly make sure that the food the students, the pupils eat in school is properly respected. The water is checked out each and every time, inspected by the experts, so that we make sure it is fit for human consumption.
Machogu urio kwaragia hindi ya igongona ria kuhumba thumbi arutwo thukuru-ini wa KEMI. Oho akiuria aciari UTHERU MUHUHU urio ukoretwo gitambio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria wigie gucenjio kwa muthi wa kuhingura thukuru kuria ningi arutire mukana arutani aria makoretwo magitungia arutwo haro.
No, take note that once any teacher indulges in that particular habit of corporal punishment to our students, that is actually a criminal activity. That is a criminal act.
Maya mokite riri mateta meyumiritie kiama kia arutani a thukuru cia secondary KUPPET gikiuga kwa ihinda ria mieri ina arutani a thukuru cia junior secondary matikoretwo makiamukira mishara hamwe na kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo gukorwo gitakinyeire arugamiriri a thukuru. Mateta maria mateanirio ni Machogu akiuga thirikari ni yarekereirie kigina giki.
The reports on the ground is that teachers have not been facilitated because the capitation funds meant for schools have not reached the schools. That is one. If the capitation funds had reached the schools, then another complaint which we did not want to tell the media is that the events, national sports co-curricular activities went on and our teachers were not facilitated.
We issued 9.6 billion and going forward we will also be doing the same. We did issue capitation to all our secondary schools, and we have said particularly those in junior secondary schools that kindly make proper use as given in the guidelines of the ministry.
Hamwe na mage, KUPPET ni uritie thirikari gutigirira arutwo aya ni marihwo mbere ya thukuru kuhingurwo kiumia giukite.
KUPPET National Governing Council demands that junior secondary school teachers be paid all their salary arrears before the commencement of the new school term next week. We also demand that junior secondary school teachers be promptly paid for their time and expenses in the ongoing trainings for the new curriculum.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagwo Gena wa Waduro.